All right, so here is one of my recipes for making my high protein blizzards. And this is just the base. It's a vanilla base, and then you can mix in whatever you want with it. You could use chocolate for the protein powder, or chocolate for the vanilla pudding mix, and then just make chocolate. But I'm doing a vanilla base. So we are going to start with 16 ounces of milk. And I'm just going to mix everything in my Ninja blender and then use my Ninja CreamI when we are done. Then we got some of this vanilla instant pudding and pie filling. I get the sugar-free, so there's no calories or very low calories. You can just put a big spoonful in. A little dash of vanilla extract, and if you're not doing a vanilla base, then it doesn't matter. Then you can skip it. And then we're going to go 2 scoops of protein powder. Now, most of the flavor, honestly, just going to come from your protein powder. So, we're just going to finish that off. So that is that. And that's all that goes in it until it comes out and we mix it. So I'm just going to blend this for a second here. That's all it takes. And then I'll grab my Ninja CreamI container. Fill it up to the line. And that's that. Now I got a little bit left over, so I'm just going to drink some. You can taste what it's going to taste like. It's pretty good. Then this goes in the freezer, and we'll mix it when it gets out. All right, so now we got our frozen concoction or blizzard. It may look like it's a little bit of separation. That's fine, perfectly normal. And typically, if you're going to use a Ninja like this, you want to, no matter what you're making, you want to let it sit out for about a half hour to soften up a little. I actually found with this, if you just throw in just a splash of milk on the top, it'll make it a little bit creamier and it'll work a little bit better. So we'll throw that in. And turn her on. And we'll mix it on the ice cream setting. All right, now it's done and it comes out looking something like this. So now if I wanted to try it, just to see. Yep. Now you can mix in whatever you want for flavor. Either like Oreos or crumbled Oreos, M&Ms, caramel, whatever you want to do. I am actually going to do some peanut butter. So make some peanut butter. So I'm going to make a little hole in the back here and then grab some peanut butter. Put her in. Push her down a little. There we go. Put her back in. Hit the mix in button because we're mixing stuff in. All right, we'll see how it turns out. Sometimes you got to do it a couple times, but it looks pretty good. That is what it looks like, all mixed up. And then I'll do the thing that everyone does, even though you can't actually taste it. No matter what, whether it's good or bad, everyone always goes, okay, here we go, let me try it. Oh, that is so good. Even as if it were bad, that people would actually tell you. But no, this is actually pretty good. Yeah, no complaints.